Are you learning online, dreaming of quick success and easy money? If yes, then you need to hear this. Online learning is not for you, unless you understand the real path to success. Stay with me for just a few minutes. What I'm about to share could save you months, even years of frustration. Today, millions of people jump into online learning with high hopes. They binge-watch tutorials, spend money on expensive courses, and believe they'll start earning quickly. But after a few months, reality hits. They fail. They feel lost, frustrated, and broke. They start thinking online learning doesn't work. But the real problem isn't online learning. The real problem is, they never had a clear plan. Most people don't even know what they truly want to learn. They keep chasing shortcuts, not real skills. One day it's freelancing, the next it's crypto, then it's affiliate marketing, and then it's YouTube automation. Jumping from one thing to another, hoping the next thing will be the one. That's not learning. That's wandering without a destination. So, how do you succeed with online learning? It's simple, but it requires real commitment. Step 1. Choose a field you are genuinely passionate about. Not just something you think will make you rich fast. Step 2. Stick to it. Give yourself at least 6 months of focused, serious learning. Start with free resources. YouTube alone is a goldmine. Find the top 10 channels in your field. Watch, learn, and most importantly, practice what you learn. Build small projects. Measure your progress. Stay consistent. Remember, real skills take time, but they pay for life. And if you're wondering which field to choose, look into AI and Generative AI. These areas are growing rapidly and full of opportunities. AI image creation, AI video editing, AI content writing. The future belongs to those who master these tools. But again, it's not about shortcuts. It's about building real skills with patience and creativity. Online learning can absolutely change your life, but only if you treat it like a real journey, not a shortcut. Choose your field, commit deeply, be patient, and keep building every single day. And if you want to understand online learning even better, I highly recommend watching my popular video on the advantages and disadvantages of online learning. The link is in the description below. Don't miss it. Books. It will give you even deeper insights to start your learning journey the right way. Now tell me in the comments, what skill are you ready to commit to? Let's grow together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos that truly help you move forward.